There are so many people who comment. This is specially for them. This case is only one of the cases where we have helped. Where it is a case of politician, NGO, police fighting for justice. It's only one small case which we have highlighted. We generally don't highlight, we don't call the press. But this is especially for those fellows who comment negatively. We care a damn for your comments on Facebook, wherever you want to comment. There are many comments negative coming. I want to pass a message to them. We care a damn. We care a damn. Thrice I repeat it. Let it go into the head. I'll tell you why. Because their negative comments will never stop us from working what good we do. That is why I have said it. We care a damn. Fourth time I'm saying it. And you know why? All these fellows who comment never do any work. There are so many hospitals who require help. There are special children who require help. There are people with disabilities who require help. There are people who have got physical abuse cases. There are children who have help. There are women who need help. There are so many types of help that you can give. You can visit hospitals. You can see who needs the help. There are so many people who are crying for help. Help them. We people like us help. We don't show. That is why again, fifth time I'm going to say, we care a damn for those comments of all those fellows who comment against us. And we will never stop doing good. We will continue our good work. And all this type of cases, we will see that we will bring to logical end. We have got a lot of things to our credit. But we don't require character certificates from these few jokers who comment on us negatively. They are very few. There are some spiritual fellows also, spiritual leaders also. Few are there, very few, minuscule, who just comment. They don't know what work we do. We don't require their certificates too. But we will continue our good work. We will prove to the people. That is why we get elected. And all good always begets good. Varigala to Governmenta. And principle and karma of life. And good mundidon, I'm coming. Saint Francis Xavier, first I want to wish everybody happy feast. God bless. Soglank. आख्खे गोंयकारांक आख्खे इंडियेक आख्खे जे वर्ल्ड आहाय ते आमगे गोंयकार देवान तांचेर सेंट फ्रांसीस गोंय साहेबान भरपूर बेसांव घालची आज बरें गिफ्ट मेळ्ळां आमकां काल एक केस कन्विक्शन जालें एंड द केस फ्रॉम द फायलिंग ऑफ FIR टू conviction order is 2 years. It is a feather in the cap of the police. Not only the police, it is justice to the person, the child who has been. We will not discuss anything about the details of the case not to disclose the identity. But I only want to tell you that this is a classic case where police, politician, NGO can all work together to bring justice. See, the most important thing is justice. Ona nyay meda munche is something. It's a gift from God, Mundavashin. It is something which from the deep from your heart within, you can understand the appreciation. You can understand the feelings. You can understand the sentiments. जे munche zala teka kotta dusऱ्या कोणना. So I would request Mrs. Auda जायत help केला. Right from bringing the witnesses, right from filing of FIR, right from statements, courts. She always coordinates with me. I'm assembly Europa ki child kotan bhi kitna. She is one of the person who always encourages us and brings it to our notice what is there. So I appreciate her for all the help. PSI Arun Dessai, who has been very instrumental from day one. From FIR करप, कितकोन ती केस फायल करप, कितकोन ते स्टेटमेंट घेवप, कितकोन रजिस्टर करप, विटनेस कशें करून घालप, ओपिनियन घेवप, प्रोसिक्युटराच्यान कितें सगळें करप. तेज भाशेन PSI Bhagat, who is not here today, we will be felicitating him because he is today having a personal function, and PSI Varshada. Both of them have been very instrumental. See, I call upon the police. एक वर्षीन आम्ही काम केलं जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता this place will be a better place. The police will have a better name, the state will have a better name, and we will be giving justice to people who deserve. And it will not be where justice denied, justice delayed is justice denied, nor justice denied at all. So I would again congratulate PSI Bhagat, PSI Varshada, PI Arun Dessai, Mrs. Auda, who has been very instrumental, Angshana Helkutta, and all other people. And we are not disclosing any details of the case. I would request Mrs. Auda to say a few words and then PI to say a few words.
I want to not disclose the details of the case, but I want to appreciate our Honorable MLA, how he helped us right from the day the FIR was registered. Every 15 days he used to call and he used to take follow-up. Also, Auda Madam has cooperated with us right from recording the statement and also pinpointed us with how to place an evidence and everything. The accused person got a rigorous punishment of 10 years, which was given to accused person by POSCO court. I also want to thank Maria, who had called at that time. Maria teacher from the school who had called at that time, and she had come with the girl to the police station, and she made her sit and record the statement. So overall it was a good case, and within 2 years, right from FIR registration to conviction, the case was completed.
Begin because I worked with Alish Lawrence. I call him Alish Lawrence because he's younger than I am. But I worked with him as a MARG activist, where he has given his own house for us to run our NGO MARG. And it has been in our custody without him demanding it for years. Nobody gives your house away. But I have worked with him in other cases as well, where I have seen that I don't call him a politician. For me, he's friend come humanitarian forever. And he comes forth with any problem not related to him or related to him to seek for help. And what type of help is not help with money or anything. He gives of himself, and which is something that a politician that we pick up should do. Not forgetting the million times we have done jobs together, and what people talk about him also, I don't expect, because people call good people bad people without any reason. They don't even study the person. They don't even know him, I'm sure. They just pass comments, and that should not be done. Besides this, I want to appreciate Arun Bab, because Arun Bab, I'm calling him PI because they're younger than I am. I've worked in this life for a long time. So PI Arun is very, very cooperative with my organization. And this came up when I was managing the one-stop center for South Goa. Because of Bilanzo Equate credibility and because of the work that I do, government had asked us to manage that. And at that time, this case came up. And for me, any case that comes up of this type, especially a disabled child, is something very traumatic even for me. And that is why I was calling him up, I was calling Prashant and PSI Varshada every time to be after it. And I can say with confidence that if it had not been the support of our humanitarian leader, the support from the police department, especially Maina Curtorim police station, and his team, and especially not to forget Prashant Bhagat and PSI Varshada. They have worked 24/7 to make this case reach its logical and legal conclusion in just 2 years. And I'm proud of it because we always run down the police, but we don't see what goes on behind the back, what they do. They have to do a lot of work. Even arresting the guy was a tough job, but he did it. Getting his mobile was a tough job, but he did it. And all we have worked together as a community. I don't want to say that who has done more, who has done less. All of us have worked together. South Goa should be proud of not only just this police station, but of leaders like him. And we should choose leaders like him. I'm not he's not in my constituency. I'm not his voter. So I think that I thank them for their work, more especially I thank the POXO court. With the speed, the interest, they would make us handhold the girl. That girl was shivering. We as a team would handhold the girl. We called a special educator also to the court to help her, and thanks to the first track court, POXO court, and the principal judge there, that this today is a very happy occasion for me. Because from this, those who want to abuse,
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.